Welcome to the Spectrum Summation Integrator. The Spectrum Summation Integrator is useful in a specific case where you have no chromatography or poor chromatography. And this is sometimes referred to as integrating a blobogram. So one scenario is that you want to integrate the signal over time so that the signal rises up out of the noise. And you can think of that as summing individual spectra together to yield a total spectra or spectrum summation. Another use of the spectrum summation is to integrate a fraction cut. An example of that would be in GC you have hydrocarbon fractions in the petroleum industry. Another case where there's no peak shape could be flow injection analysis in LC, where you're injecting very quickly with little or no chromatography. Walk through the spectrum summation parameters. And as you can see, I have choices on establishing the baseline. I am going to use the lowest point as the baseline offset. You can also choose a fixed baseline offset by setting a certain number of counts. I can also set a skosh more room on the sides of the peak so that you can see more of the baseline. So in this case, I'm going to use relative deltas from this extraction window, 0.2 minutes on the left and 0.2 minutes on the right. And that should give me some space on the edges of the peak to see that baseline. And now what you've been waiting for, the spectrum summation demo. Here I am in the quant method editor looking at the retention times for this summation compound, and I see that I have the default of 1 minute and 1 minute on the right. So let's take a look at the advanced tasks integration parameters setup for the spectrum summation compound, and I can see the parameters that I've set up and described previously. So now I'm going to apply that method and analyze. And let's take a look at the performance of this spectrum summation integrator. You can see that it's integrated all of the area across this integration range with a skosh more room on the left, 0.2 minutes and 0.2 minutes, so I can see the baseline. And as I flip through the concentration range, you can see it's consistently integrated that blobogram area. Thanks for your attention.